In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add AdBlock on Google Chrome. If you want a cleaner browsing experience with fewer ads showing up while you visit websites, this process is very simple and only takes a few moments. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the Chrome Web Store. This is the official place where you can safely find and install browser extensions for Chrome. Using the Chrome Web Store is important because it helps make sure you're downloading the extension from a trusted source instead of from an unknown website. When the Chrome Web Store loads, look for the search bar. In that search bar, type AdBlock. Make sure you spell it correctly so the right extension appears in the results. After you enter it, Chrome will show you a list of matching extensions. Now, click on the AdBlock result and then select the first one shown in the list. Take a brief moment to confirm that you're choosing the extension you want before installing it. This can help avoid downloading something unrelated or unofficial. Once you open the extension page, look for the button that says Add to Chrome. Click that button to begin the installation. Chrome will then show a confirmation message asking if you want to add the extension. This is normal, and it gives you a final chance to review what you're installing. Go ahead and click Add Extension. After that, just follow any prompts that appear on your screen. Depending on the extension version and your browser settings, you may be asked to confirm a few setup preferences. These prompts are usually straightforward, so just read each one carefully and continue through the setup. After that, the extension will start downloading and installing automatically. In most cases, this only takes a few seconds. Once it finishes, AdBlock should be added to Chrome and ready to use. You may also see its icon appear near the top right area of your browser, which lets you access its settings and controls more easily. And that's it. You've successfully added AdBlock to Google Chrome. If needed, make sure Chrome stays open until the installation is fully complete, and pay attention to any on-screen messages so you don't miss a final setup step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.